'cause it would take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have, we don't have it anymore. There's no religion that could save me. No matter how long my knees are on the floor. So keep in mind all the sacrifices I made to keep you by my side and keep you from walking out the door. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, rain, rain. I'll never be your mother's favorite.
Bakit di kayo magtinginan kayo pag diniliver na yung sagot kasi it's compatibility test? Anong problema?
Ano?
Di ka tumitingin ano? Kaya na! Ba't di ka tumitingin?
Kanina pa yung tayo, hindi na mamansin, tas ano, ayaw na makika-open.
Bakit?
Nagkukuon.
Understand. Ooh, but little darling, watch me change their minds. Yeah, but you, I'll try, I'll try, I'll try, I'll try. And pick up these broken pieces till I'm bleeding. If that'll make you
Ngayon, babanas.
'cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. And just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away.
Wait na! Yan na! Napapansin ko kanina ka pa malungkot sa vlog.
Kasi po tayo, simula ng pagka-dating ko po dito, hindi po tinatanggap niya ako. Ano po yung problema?
Pasapos,
Hindi lang.
Aaron, bakit di mo pinapansin si Yana? Dahil,
Alam mo yan, wala namang problema. Yung ano lang it's a prank!
If I lose you, baby, and there'll be no clear skies. If I lose you, baby, and just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same. If you walk away,
Uy, sorry na. Prank lang yun, uy. Uy, prank lang yun. Prank ka ba? Uy, prank lang yun. Sorry na.
Pagdating pa lang
Uy.
si Janine.
Prank lang yun, uy.
Pati sa kon.
Sorry na. Uy, prank lang talaga yun.
Pag gano'n sa
Prank lang talaga. Uy, sorry na. Uy. Sorry na. Prank lang yun. Promise.
Wala ka na dyan, malis ka na nga.
Yes guys, ito na po nagtatapos ang aming challenge pero hindi mo na namin po kakalimutan pasalamat